In this video, I'll show you how to install the YouTube application on your Samsung Smart TV. This is easy. So after turning on your Smart TV and connecting to the internet, what you have to do is go to your App Store. Now once you move on to your App Store, this is how mine is. So they're going to suggest you some applications in the home. And if you want to look specific for YouTube, what you have to do is to go to search bar and then type in YouTube. So we're quickly going to type in YouTube here. Alright, that's a mistake. Just type in YouTube. So once you type in YouTube, you're going to click on enter. And it's going to search the app. So here are the various YouTube apps available on my Samsung Smart TV. And what you have to do is to search for the one you are interested in. So we're interested in the YouTube app, not for YouTube Kids. So go ahead and choose the YouTube app. And once you've chosen that, they're going to ask you to download the app, and all you have to do is click on the download button and it downloads straight away to your Samsung Smart TV.